What's up? It's Aquarius class of 2026, and I know it's been a minute, but I'm glad to be back. And there are a lot of new changes to the building that I'm excited to see. Concessions, it's over with. We have elevators now. I wonder if students can get elevator passes. It's a great spot for studying. I love how the science room is put together. It's perfect for group projects. I hope to find a career in the medical field when I graduate college, and this will give me a great start. We finally have a gym now. Lockers look fire. Like, just look at this. Like, I wonder if we'll have wrestling meets here now. As you can see, I'm in a room, and this is one of our new conference rooms with Samsung TVs for conference calls. We have self-dimming lights, all types of charger ports. And the final thing is soundproof. I can't wait to see our HFCA Jubilee singers practice in this room for our upcoming gala. This has been Aquarius Franklin, class of 2026, on the corner of Garfield and Vale Phillips. And I'll see you on admissions day on July 31st, and then the 3rd of August for the barbecue.